So guys, remember to like, subscribe, hit that notification bell for new content. So guys, I want to share a big shout out to all our subscribers today. Right? You guys have showed us much love and we really appreciate that. So today we're going ahead to give some shout outs, right? So first, I want to say big up Miss Patria Downer, right? Patria Downer has a wonderful vlog with her son. Great content, guys. You need to go check that out. The link will be in the description in our bio, so you can go ahead and check out our videos, right? Just want to say also a big up to the Real Lewis family, as the word says real lady, real family. Guys, they have great content over there. Go check it out as well, right? To all our subscribers, I just want to say thank you for spending the time watching our videos, because without you this would not be possible. And guys, just want to say a big shout out to Boomers. You're always large, you're always ready, you're always there behind us. So just want to give a good shout out, Boomers, big up. Also as well, guys, just want to let you know or remind you that 300 subscribers and we're gonna have giveaways. So get us to 300, guys, and get the chance to win something. So again, we appreciate all the love and thanks for watching our videos. So hi guys, back again, and today we're gonna make a simple but a tasty dish. So we're gonna go ahead and have fried chicken breast done with pak choy. So I went ahead, guys, and I did a pre-prep. So I have everything ready. I have my chicken breast seasoned, I have my pak choy cut up, and my ground seasons ready as well. So I'm just gonna go ahead and get started. So sit back, relax, and enjoy. So I went ahead and I seasoned my chicken breast with a little chicken season all purpose. I'm just going to go ahead and have these fried. So I went ahead and preheated the oil, so I'm just going to go ahead and have these put in. Alright, so guys, with these chicken breasts, I'm not going to fry these crisp. I don't want them crisp. Alright, so I'm going to fry these halfway. We call this half fry in Jamaica, right? So you're going to fry these halfway. You're not going to go ahead and overcook these. You're going to fry them halfway, so once they catch a little color, you're just going to go ahead and take them out. Alright, so in the meanwhile, what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and prepare my pak choy. I already washed it, so I'm just going to go ahead and add my ground seasoning. So it's a little bit of onion, scallion, thyme, pepper, sweet pepper, and some tomato. Great, guys, and this will give wonderful taste to the pak choy as well as an awesome color as well. I'm just gonna mix everything in, right? I want everything to mix up so that all the flavors can go in. Also, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna add a little garlic season, a little bit of all-purpose to this as well, seasoning salt as well. It depends on what you wanna add, so you're gonna season it to your liking. So great. So I've all my chicken breasts are almost there. As I said before, just want these half fried. So once they catch a little color, I'm gonna take them out. So wonderful, guys. My pak choy is ready for steaming because everything is now mixed up together. Great, guys. So I went ahead and took my chicken breast out because, as I said, they caught a little color. They have this wonderful little brown color, and that's what I want, right? So I don't want to overcook these. So great, guys, so I went ahead and put a little oil in the pot. So I'm just going to go ahead and add my pak choy, and I'm going to go ahead and steam this for about 5 to 6 minutes the most. Why? It's because I don't want the pak choy to be soft. I want it to be a little crunchy, so you're not going to over steam these, right? You're not going to steam them until they're soft, because you want to have that little crunchy taste in your mouth, right? So I'm throwing everything in, and we're gonna go ahead and have this steam for about 5 to 6 minutes. Wonderful guys, and I love the look. It has a wonderful look because of all the seasonings there. It is very colorful, you know, with all my pepper and sweet pepper and so forth. Great guys, so I'm just gonna let this steam for about 5 to 6 minutes as I said. I'm just stirring everything together. Okay guys, so once I let this steam for about 5 to 6 minutes, then I'm gonna go ahead and add my chicken breast to this, right? So I'm adding my chicken breast and I'm gonna stir everything together because you want all the flavors in. And once you stir everything together, I'm just gonna give this another 2 to 3 minutes just for everything to come together, right? For everything, all the flavors to come together in one, and then I'm gonna have this taken off. Because as I said, I don't want to get the pak choy too soft. You don't want it too soft. You want it to be a little bit crunchy. Guys, it looks lovely, and I can tell you the aroma is refreshing. Wonderful guys, look at it, it's awesome, right? I can't wait to begin. Awesome, so I've given it that 2 minutes, so I'm just gonna have that taken off right now. So what I'm gonna do is that I'm gonna serve this with some white rice. So I'm just gonna go ahead and I'm gonna have some white rice steamed real quick so we can go ahead and see the finished dish. Awesome. Alright, I'm just gonna let that rice steam, right? I'm gonna let that steam out to where I want it to be. And then once it is steamed out, then we're gonna go ahead and have this plated. That's great guys, my rice and everything is ready. So look at it guys, it looks awesome, it looks wonderful. This is very tasty, very simple. It's a wonderful dish, right? You know what you get from, you know, pak choy and so forth, so you know this is also healthy as well. You know the chicken breast provides you with a lot of protein, so and the pak choy will give you iron, which is great for the body. So guys, this is an awesome dish and it looks lovely as well. So guys, I want you to go ahead, feel free to like, you know, share, comment, you know, if there's anything that you'd like to see from us, just let us know in the comment, right? Remember to tell a friend, subscribe to our channel, right? Help us to grow this channel to where it should be, guys. So I really enjoyed spending the time with you again today, guys, and thanks for watching.